In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into my favorite oscillator, Relative Strength Index. So what are we going to do in this video is use an oscillator, RSI, to figure out the trend of the chart. Let's plot an RSI. Go to the indicators, type RSI, Relative Strength Index, a 14 period is fine. First and foremost, I'm going to change my RSI to black. I don't need any average of my RSI. Regular bullish, regular bearish, whatever they mean, deselect it. RSI upper band, change it to 80, middle band, keep it 50. In fact, I'll like it in red. And the lower band, make it 80-20, that is 80 and 20, 80 on the upside, 20 on the downside. RSI background fill, I'm going to give it a green color, a bullish color. With this RSI, I want to figure out a bullish trend. I have a 14 period RSI. I've taken 70 to 80 and I have taken 30 to 40. Central line is 50. That's my RSI number 1. You come to these 3 dots. When you take your cursor close to the indicator, you get these 3 dots. You come to these 3 dots. As you click on it, you will get copy. Copy the whole thing and paste it. To rework on it, go to the settings. Keep it black. Come here. The 80, change it to 60. The 40, change it to 20. I'm going to color it red. So the second RSI, we have taken the 70 down to 60 and the usual 30 down to 20. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the one below on top of this. It's going to overlap. How are you going to do that? Come again to those 3 dots. Move to existing pane above. So existing pane is the green shaded RSI and we're going to take it there. So now on my charts, I have 2 RSIs, but why are they different? Because both of them are RSI 14, isn't it? Because their scale are different. Once again, you have to go to the 3 dots, come to pin to scale. Which scale do you want the new one? That's what the software is asking. Pin to scale A. This is the naming of the scale, just in case you didn't know. Now you have one RSI, 14 period RSI as usual. You got a bullish zone, you got a green zone, looks clean. You got a red zone, looks clean, and you've got a central zone. And the central line is 50. The rules are when the RSI 14 from a green zone enters the red zone, this marks the beginning of a downtrend. When will it go back to uptrend? Only from staying within the red zone or the gray zone. The moment it closes above the green zone, it can tell me that there is a bit of uptrend. Based on our RSI calculation, when from the red zone it closes for 2 to 3 days on the green zone, it goes into an uptrend. So using RSI 14, we can define an uptrend or a downtrend, and they are more or less in sync with the chart if I had used an exponential moving average or something. One indicator, which is supposed to be an oscillator used for overbought and oversold, can be used in a completely different way altogether.